Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. This is my first video on the home channel since Vlogmas ended. Oh my goodness. So instead of jumping straight into the next big thing, right, I really just wanted to slow down and reset. And this was the perfect spot to do it in my laundry room because this is my in and out, every single day for the most part. The only time I'm using the front door is if I'm walking Hershey, right? So, girl, oh my goodness. It was definitely a time, right? Nothing fancy, nothing that's perfect, just a space that needs a fresh start.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no.
So I know I posted in the community tab on New Year's Day, just wishing you all a very happy new year and thanking you. But that's not the same as hearing me say it. And I just thank you guys so much. I couldn't do this without you. You are my family. I always say you are a part of me. And I am very blessed to have you. So happy new year and thank you guys so much.
Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night.
After the holidays, everything kind of lands wherever there's space, right? I feel like, and over time, it starts to feel so heavy. Like, why is this here? It was so many inches of the laundry room. And I was like, how long has this been here? Oh, was this where I put it? It was a whole thing with me in there. I was like, oh my goodness. So I was picking up stuff from months ago. It was insane.
She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that she could believe all the little lies you tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right.
I used to be, I have to put this here. I have to label this. I have to do it this way. This is how it needs to be for me. But I don't live here by myself, right? And I have a husband who is visually challenged. Let me say that. If he doesn't see it, then it just doesn't exist. He needs to see things. Hubby does the food shopping. So if it's not right in his face, he'll keep buying more and more things, right? So I have to make sure that things are, nice and neat, and this is what we have. So I'm, constantly thinking about that. And the girls, they do their own laundry, right? So love the independence, and I want to make sure that things are nice and neat for them over here. Sydney sometimes uses the pods, but she saw me using the liquid, so now she wants to use the liquid. So I just have to make sure things are in order. They like using the scent beads and things, so I'm trying to keep it tight over here, but girl, oh my goodness. I told him, pull the washing machine out because I feel like a couple things might have fallen back there. It was a whole thing. Oh my goodness. But I was saying all of that to say I'm not aiming for Pinterest perfect anymore. I just can't. I just want functional, right? Peaceful. It's an easy to keep up with, right? If I could say it like that, and easy to keep up with for our real life family. You know what I mean? So, because when one space feels out of control, it has a way of affecting everything else, including my mood. So I just want to keep it tidy, right? I'm down here, girl. It was so much. I'm like, oh my goodness, I'm gonna get my braids caught in these cords and things. It was a whole thing.
Never seen it like this. Didn't think it existed. No truly. Don't get in the way. She's not here to play. She'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me. 'Cause these are dream rules.
So this year, right, I'm being more intentional with my time, is what I mean. Like more intentional with my time, my energy, right? And just the way that I care for my home, right? So, yeah, that might mean slower resets, right? You know how sometimes I'll speed up the video a little bit, quieter routines, I feel like, and just focusing on what actually works, right? Works in quotation marks for my household, right? For my family. So the changes might, they might look simple, right? But they really, really are going to matter to me. You know what I mean? So I hope that makes sense. I can't hear you. Oh, that's right. I forgot we said that. Yes. Yes, I forgot. So, if you're watching this and feeling overwhelmed or behind, right? Because that's how I was feeling, I guess. I hope this reminds you that you don't have to do everything all at once. I have a problem with that. I am the one who's always trying to just I'm all over the place. And you guys know because most of the time you're with me, right? So I don't know, one drawer, one shelf, one load of laundry, like it's enough, right? And I just have to, what is that saying? I forget how it goes. Basically, I got to do as I say. I don't know. Is that the right saying? No, that's not what I'm trying to say. Practice what I preach. Yes, I knew it was going to. I had to snap my finger on that one. Practice what you preach, right? I have to practice what I preach. So I need to slow down, right? So, yeah, I mean, this reset is just, I feel like, is the beginning of a more calmer, more intentional year around here as I'm putting my hands on my hips, thinking about what to do next, right? But yes, you guys, thank you so, so much for being here and for sticking with us, right, after Vlogmas. And for just letting this channel grow and evolve. I appreciate you so much. And I hope this video gave you a little bit of peace, right? Or maybe the motivation to start your own reset today. So I will see you guys soon, right? Yes, I'll see you soon. Bye.